You might be surprised to hear that a staggering number of gym enthusiasts are unknowingly sabotaging their muscle-building journey. Yes, we're talking about those unseen workout errors that sneak into your routine, subtly hampering progress. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gym goer, these blunders are easy to make and, unfortunately, all too common. They lurk in the shadows, silently stunting your growth and thwarting your hard work. Now, wouldn't you want to know if you're one of them? We've identified the 5 most common muscle-building missteps that could be standing in your way. Let's dive into these, shall we? First up, improper form. It's not about how much weight you lift, but how you lift it. Second, a lack of dietary focus. Yes, you need protein, but don't forget about those carbs and good fats too. They're your body's fuel. Third on the list, inadequate rest. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. If you're hitting the gym 7 days a week, you're not giving them that chance. Fourth, overtraining. It's a myth that more is always better. Training smarter beats training harder every time. And finally, neglecting the importance of progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the stress placed on your body during training. It's essential for continuous muscle growth. These mistakes might seem minor, but they could be the very reason you're not seeing the gains you're working so hard for. Now that we've identified the culprits, let's delve into why these mistakes are detrimental to your progress. Mistake 1. Skimping on sleep. You see, while we rest, our bodies recover and grow. Not getting enough sleep robs you of this essential recovery time. Make sleep a priority, not an afterthought. Mistake 2. Neglecting nutrition. Muscles need fuel to grow, and that fuel comes from the food we eat. A balanced diet, rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats is key. Mistake 3. Skipping the warm-up. A good warm-up prepares your body for the stress of exercise, reducing the risk of injury. So, don't rush it. Mistake 4. Inconsistent training. Consistency is key in muscle building. Stick to your routine, and remember, progress takes time. Finally, mistake 5. Avoiding the hard exercises. It's the tough workouts that push your muscles to grow. Embrace them, don't shy away. Avoiding these common errors could revolutionize your workouts, but there's one more thing we need to discuss. The most damaging mistake isn't always the most obvious one. It's like a cunning adversary hiding in plain sight, often overlooked but wreaking havoc on your muscle-building progress. It's the lack of proper rest and recovery. Why is this so often missed? It's simple. We're conditioned to believe that more is better. More workouts, more reps, more sweat. But when it comes to muscle growth, this notion can be a roadblock. Your muscles don't grow during workouts, they grow after. When you rest, your body repairs and strengthens those hard-worked fibers, leading to muscle growth. So, how do you avoid this misstep? Prioritize rest days in your workout routine. Don't see them as slacking off, but as an essential part of your muscle-building journey. And don't forget about quality sleep, which is vital for recovery. This mistake might have been hiding in plain sight, but not anymore. Now it's your turn to conquer it and take your fitness game to the next level. To wrap it up, these 5 muscle-building missteps could be slowing down your progress. Overtraining, neglecting nutrition, skipping rest days, inconsistent routines, and aiming for speed over form can greatly impede your muscle growth. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to building muscle. Don't let your muscle-building journey be harder than it needs to be. Apply these tips and see the difference. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you might have in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep pushing.